Setting up a squeeze page. Hey there, my good friends. In our previous videos, we showed you how to create a compelling lead magnet that you can use to convince people to join your mailing lists. And we also showed you that you can build opt-in forms from where you can offer your lead magnets right from your email marketing platform. And in this video, we're going to show you how easy it actually is. For this example video, we are going to start once again on our MailChimp account, from where we are going to click on the Create Campaign button to get started. What's great about using your email marketing platform to create your squeeze pages is that you will be able to integrate them right away within your campaigns, as opposed to creating a standalone squeeze page that you'll later have to link to your campaigns. Now we are going to click on the Create a Landing Page option. As you can see, MailChimp allows us to create two types of squeeze pages: a classic sign-up page to capture email contacts and a product page that we can use on an online store. For this example video, we are going to set up a classic sign-up page, and we have to start by naming our new landing page in the landing page name field. Then we have to select the list where to add new contacts that sign up through this particular page. In our case, we're going to select our subscriber list so we can later segment them according to their data and behaviors. Now we are going to click on the Begin button to continue. Now we have to edit our new squeeze page, and we are going to start by adding our business logo on the header of the sign-up page by dropping an image block on it, and then using the Browse button to insert a business logo there. Now we are going to click on the Color button to change the page's background color, which will allow us to center the focus on the sign-up content. Now we are going to edit the headline space to insert a variation of our lead magnet's title in the form of a question, and it will read as, "Would you like to learn the 5 secret healthy lifestyle choices for diabetics?" Now we are going to edit the copy space to instruct leads that they will get the free guide by signing up to our mailing list. Now we are going to edit the sign-up form. We are going to start by checking the first name box and making it a required field. Now we are going to replace the text in the button text field with "Yes, let's do it." Lastly, we are going to click on the Confirmation tab to change the confirmation message to "Thanks for joining the DCME family." Now we simply have to click on Save and Continue. Before we can publish our page, we will have to click on the Add Page Title and URL button so we can add a page title that will appear in the browser's page bar. In our case, we are going to use our lead magnet's name to title the squeeze page, so we'll simply insert the name in the Untitled Page field, and then we will click on Save. Now we are going to click on the Publish button, and that is it. Now you have a fully functional squeeze page that you can embed on your site or share on social media. We are going to give you some advice about how you can actually generate traffic to your squeeze pages in our next video, so make sure to tune in.